Hello everyone and welcome to Two Awesome Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 2D arrays, and I'll also teach you how to make 2D arrays. Making 2D arrays is quite simple. I know I haven't really made the video for simple arrays, but trust me, once you watch this video till the end, I'm pretty sure that you'll understand the concept of simple arrays as well. Now the question that arises in our mind when we talk about arrays is that what is an array? Now an array is a data structure of collection of elements, and by elements I mean values or variables. Now each variable is identified by at least one array index. You can have access to any element stored in an array just by knowing their index. So yeah, that's about it for the definition of array, and let's get on to making one array by ourselves. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you have to create an project, the Java project, and then you have to create a class which I've already made over here called the array, and then the main method, of course. Now getting on to the main method, we have to, let's say we make an integer type of array, say int, and then for 2D you have to use these brackets, which is, and then we use the name for array. Let's say the name is ARR is equal to, and then we input the elements of the array. So yeah, let's say the elements are, for the first row the elements are 2, 3, 4, and you also have to put comma after inputting the values of first row, and then after that 5, 6, 7, comma 3, 6, 9. And remember to put a comma here as well. So yeah, we have made an array of 3 by 3, and in the first row we have 2, 3, 4, in the second row we have 5, 6, 7, and in the third row we have 3, 6, and 9. So if you want to print any element in this array, what we can do is system.out.println and the name of the array and the index of the array. Let's say that we want to print out the first element of the array, and the indexes are 0 and 0. So when we run the program, we'll get the first element, that is 2. Now if you want to print out the second element in this array, we'll use 0, 1, which is 3, and in this way you can keep on printing it, say 0, 2, and if you run this to print out the first row, the element of the first rows, which are 2, 3, and 4. Now this is the first way of creating an array and printing out the elements inside it. Now the second way is we can, I don't actually like the second way because it's kind of tiring to make it that way. But yeah, let's just make it. So int, the first part is going to be the same, int, and then we go brackets, and then the name of the array, and then let's say new int, and the size of the array, let's say 3 by 3 array. Now to put the values, alright, I'm missing out something. Right, to put the values in this array, let's say we have to input the value of the first index, which is 0, 0, so that'll be equal to 1, and array in the second index 1 is equal to 2, and in the third index we say let's say 3. and now we can just print it out. System out of println array 0 0 system dot out dot print array 0 1 and system dot out dot println array 0 and 2. Now when we run this, we'll get the elements that we stored in the array. So what this basically means is that we have filled the first row and the values are 1, 2 and 3. So the first brackets, this indicates the row, and the second bracket indicates the column. So the array starts with 0 index. Usually, I don't know, that's how it works. It starts with 0 and then it can go for as big as you want it to be. So yeah, this is how you input the values for array and then print it. So this is about 2D arrays. The two easy methods. You can use for loop over here to input the values as well as print it out. So if we go back to the simple array that we made first, let's say in the first row we have 2, 3, 4. In the second row we have 3, 4, 5. Why am I pressing on the dot? And in the third row we have 5, 6, 7. We saved it. Now we have 3 rows and 3 columns, and we've also input the value of all the indexes. Now for using the for loop, say for int I is equal to 0, I is lesser than 3, I plus plus, and inside this for loop we're going to make another loop for int j is equal to 0, j is lesser than 3, and j plus plus. And inside the second loop that we made, we're going to use system.out.println array I and array j. And now if you run the program, it's going to show all the elements that are stored in this 2D array. So the first element is 2, which is printed out here. The second one is 3, the third one is 4, and then coming down to the second row, the first one is 3, next one is 4, and then 5, and in this way we printed the all elements that are inside our array. Now if you have watched this video carefully, I'm pretty sure that you have understood almost everything about 2D array. And I know I haven't really made a video about for loops, but I'll make it soon. For loops are very easy, like seriously very easy, and don't worry about the second part that I have done here, because I haven't really made a video about for loops. But if you already know about for loops, then it is a good thing, and if you don't worry, I'll just make a video on it and upload it as soon as possible. If this video was helpful in any way, then please hit on that like button, and if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel for new videos. So yeah, that's about it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me, I'ma just grab my stuff and leave. Excuse me please. Fuck this shit, I'm out.